I bought this PS1, but I didn't have the power supply. But I found out that the PS2's power supply is universal power supply. It will work. It works on there. It even works on the PS3. And just to show you connections at the back. There's the input, the output voltage, input voltage in the TV receiver. To show you it works on here. I was spending hours trying different adapters, but I found out that I was really happy about that. See. Yeah, it works. It works. See, this charger. It's got 1.5 volt amps, 1.5 amps AC current. It's the current in the amperes that has to be not above the amperage of this, which is 2 amps, but it has to be 1.5 or 2. It works. It works fine. See, I just wanted to tell you that because don't waste our time trying to pass on the PS2. It works on most of this. Is fantastic. AC adapter is fantastic. Thanks very much for watching. Subscribe. Bye.